Hello. So in this video, we will going to learn about different data types. We use data types according to the questions. There are different data types, and the first one is integer. So here, we for integer we write int a. So here a is now an integer variable. Now, if you want to fix a value of a, what we can do is a is equal to 15. So now the value of a is 15. And we can print it anytime. So you can see the value in the output section here, that it is now displaying the value of a. Now the second is character data type. Character data types are used to store a single character, like character a is equal to c. So now if you will print c out a, it is showing error because here I have taken age equal 15. So I'll comment this and then we will try to run the code. So here now you can see that the value of a is character type C, and this is used to define the character in a semi quotes. So now a is a character variable here. Now the third is, what if we want to use decimal values. So here we use float a is equal to float a, you can simply define a, and now a is equal to 5.2. So if you want to print like 5.2 into 5, to see out a into 5 into 6, then you can see here that 331.2 is the answer. 5.2 into 6. Okay, here one more thing. We use int l to end the line, and then we can print this C out also. So now we will get a into 6 in the first line and a on the second line. So this is now the float variable. After this, there is a type boolean. Boolean are used only for the true and false. So bool a is equal to 0. So just we can just define a is whether it is true or not. So bools have only two values, either true, either false. Now another data type is a string. So string s. Now we can save anything in string, like a text, a paragraph, a whole paragraph. So s is equal to, and strings are saved under double quotes. So this, and my name is this dad. Okay. So now if we will print s, you can see. Okay, I left a semicolon. So you can see here the output. My name is this dad. Okay. And similarly, we can take any of this input from the user by just using cins. I am taking. Okay, and then we will run the code. So here you can see. Okay, it is actually what happened is, I will teach you this later, because here are some gaps. So in order to take the gaps also, you will have to do something in the code. So after that you will able to take all this character in once. So now you can see I am taking it's a string, and we are taking input it from here, and then printing it as here. Now there are some limits, like integer have some limits. So every data types, like integer a, so there are some fixed values, a range, which can be saved in integer variables, like 10 raised to 8. So you can see the maximum value also, see out int max. So this is a maximum value 2147. This whole is a maximum value you can store in integer variables. But in some of the question code forces, you will get that there the range will be more than that. That is 10 raised to 18. So in that case, we use long int. So long int a is equal to 15. This will also work as integer, but the range of the numbers will be increasing. You can also see the range of this now. Uh, See here the range of int max. So if your digits you are using in the code are more than 10 raised to 8 or the limit is 10 raised to 18, you can use this long int. So these are the basic data types which are used during the programming.